Welcome to the System Surveyor tutorial video for importing floor plans. This video aims to demonstrate how to create sites and surveys on the System Surveyor Cloud workspace. A site allows users to keep projects organized. It is a space where multiple surveys can be stored that are all related to a particular location. The System Surveyor app comes default with a sample site to help you learn the ropes. To add your own site, press Add Site at the top right-hand corner of the workbench. When you tap the Add Site button, it is required you put in the site name, city, and state. Once you press the Save Site button, it will take you to the site dashboard. The site dashboard is where all your information for one location is stored. On the left side panel, you can edit the site details, change the site status, and add site contacts. The site is where all your surveys are stored. To add a new survey, click the Start New Survey button in the top right-hand corner. When you press the Start New Survey button, you'll have three options to import floor plans on the cloud workspace. The Quick Start will create a blank canvas, the camera will open the device camera, and the local resource selection will allow you to import a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. If you select the local resource folder, you can also import a multi-page PDF. The import options are slightly different on a tablet. Some common options are taking a picture of a floor plan, fire escape plan, or something you've marked up while you're in the field. If you have a multi-page PDF, select your desired pages and click Next. From this screen, you can crop and set the scale of each survey independently. After you've cropped your survey, you'll be directed to a screen to set a distance for auto measure. Use the scale tool arrows as anchor points and click Set at the top right-hand corner. Common references used for auto measure are hallways, double doors, or anything you know the specific dimensions for. You'll be prompted to set the actual distance in feet and change the icon size. Finally, you can add survey details, only the name is required. Congratulations, you've just imported your first project using System Surveyor.